Hey guys, I know it's been a while since you see me. All right, a lot of things happen, but yeah. Um, I was supposed to show you the whole build. Behind me is the studio edition. I have to add about two more pieces of wood on that. On top of that, I measured out to be 16 inches up and down. I'm gonna add two just like I did with the bottom. All right, cool. So other than that, I started insulating, but I forgot to continue. All right, and show you guys what's going on. Lighting is a little bad in here, but we're gonna get it fixed soon. All right, cool. Other than that, I got like cement on the floor. Hold on one second. All right, cool. So I laid down cement. I just finished laying down cement on the floor. Bam. All right, that's extra. And all right, cool. So I use this right here to mix everything up. That's cement in my hands. And then I have the trials, the two different types, the triangle and the other one. I forgot what they call them. Got the bucket of water. That's what I use to mix the cement. Um, this right here is plywood. This pink stuff's insulation. So I'm gonna take the plywood, put on top of this, just like I did with my original shop. Because I don't like drywall. I prefer this because it's a lot easier to screw into. Yeah, so I'm gonna have it going across. I'm gonna add some more insulation, right? These are like a what, about 16 on center, 16, 16, 16. All right, cool. On top, roof rafters, I have to put in the metals, and I'll show you that at the end. All right, cool. So yeah, so that's what we got. I did the California corners. So this is a stud. Behind it is another stud, right? And then right here is a stud, and everything nails it to each other. All right, cool. So I did the same thing on this side. You can't see it, but beyond the insulation, there's a stud that's this way, another stud that way, and then another stud that pushes it. That's this stud that pushes it, right? So yeah, so basically this would be a 4x4 corner, 4x4 corner. Yeah, so that's basically what's going on. I'm about to start insulating and just want to show you guys what I've been up to as far as like the renovation. All right, cool.